everyone, this is Shivani Malhotra from Positive Vibes Consulting. Every day we receive multiple calls asking us for the various professional certification courses that we offer, and more importantly, which course is suitable and appropriate for which professional. So today I'm going to tell you all about the courses that we offer at Positive Vibes so far. For many decades, HR has been known for its transactional and administrative nature of work such as payroll, compliances, employee records, leave management, etc. So if you are an HR professional who is looking to move out of a transactional role and augment your career to being a value-adding strategic business partner, then you should check out our Strategic HR Business Partner certification course. This 22-hour intensive course is for you if you're looking for a quantum jump in your career as a strategic HR professional. This course is accredited by SHRM, Society of Human Resources Management, wherein we will award PDCs, Professional Development Credits, on behalf of SHRM upon the successful completion of this course. With multiple batches running successfully for the past many months, this course promises to be completely case study based with 100% practical approach towards strategic HR interventions. If you're a fresher wanting to kickstart your HR career, then do check out our HR Generalist certification course, which is starting in Jan 2021. An intensive 75-hour course, this will equip you with the foundation knowledge of all aspects of HR, such as recruitment, payroll, compliances, HR laws, compensation and benefits, onboarding, and many other detailed modules. If you are an HR professional who wants to make data-driven decisions to attract, manage, and retain your employees, which improves the ROI of your organization, then do check out our HR Analytics Practitioner course. This 30-hour exhaustive course will enable HR professionals to analyze data using statistical tools and derive very useful insights from the data to make informed decisions and add value to your business. This course is again 100% practical with more than 13 live case studies that the participants will work on during the course of the program. And finally, if you are looking at building a great personal brand for yourself, then you need to work on your employability quotient, which is also called MQ. And for that, do check out our Enhance Your MQ certification course. This 22-hour intensive course is designed for those professionals who want to take their employability to the next level and in the process build a great personal brand for themselves so that their employability in the present uncertain times as well as the future is secured. One more thing, all our courses are very affordable and are reasonably priced because our intent is to nurture young, ambitious professionals who, through guided professional mentoring, can scale new heights in their professional careers. So if you are someone who is ambitious and serious about your career and you want to take your career to the next level, then give yourself the best gift of 2021, the gift of knowledge. Call us on these numbers to know more. Thank you and have a great day.